Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Here you are getting this error. I have resolved it here. Now how to resolve it? First here use a condition, then here close this body of this condition here, and we are facing this issue on SDK about 33, right? So here we would use a class information like this one. Okay, so it is resolved, but we would also need to use it below this SDK. So we can do it like this. Look, it's resolved here now. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.